it's your girl Sandra. You know how to do. So today guys, it's just the struggle. I picked up my passport today from RMX. It was supposed to have come like 2-3 days ago, and then just today again I just picked up my PCR result. So yeah, now I can't even breathe properly. So now I'm gonna get my bags and then go to the airport because I'm taking flight there. One. I haven't even booked it. Like, I'm going to book it right now. That's just how crazy everything is. When I get home, I'm gonna do it. Book the flight and then take my bags because already I have packed. I've packed like, it's been a week since I packed it because I was supposed to leave like on Thursday. I was actually supposed to leave on Thursday, but I couldn't because of whatever reasons. My passport was not here. I couldn't go anywhere. So yeah, let's go. I'll catch you guys up when I'm at the airport.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between.
At home, there are no flights, like literally no flights. The flight in expected like I would book is gone, it's not there. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get to Joburg right now. The only flight that I can book right now is so expensive, like 4,000. All I know is that I'm going to Joburg come what may. So like, I don't care. I'm going to Joburg today. So hey guys, I don't know if I got scammed or what. I don't know if I got scammed because I had to book tickets twice, and I don't know guys, I'm just counting on getting my money back because 1.8 is a lot of money to not get it back. So, and your girl is not rich, so I don't know man. So I'm going to I got a flight. I'm gonna ask how much it costs to wrap it back because last time they nearly messed my bag up. Actually, they messed it up, so I'm just gonna ask. Does it matter how big the luggage is?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, I'll come and wrap mine. That's the price, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
For every piece.
Okay, no problem. I have only one piece to wrap. Okay, I'm gonna wrap my bag, and after that, I'm gonna go check in. So, can I stress how this 1.9, 1.8 something? I don't have money in that. So, yeah, I'm holding sanitizer. I'm doing the big one only because this one gets a macayo. So, yeah, I'm ripping my.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
Hey guys, I am checking in right now. There's a few people in front of me, so I'm going to check in. Okay, so I'm gonna check in. I'm so hungry. I just want to check in and go and eat. I'm so hungry. I don't want to lie to you. Literally, I don't know. I'm not so good with vlogs and all that. I'm not very descriptive. Like literally, like every time I see people describing everything that they're doing, and okay, thank you. So with me, it's always like no, I just say one thing and not explain too much. Like, I hope they don't charge me for the extra 2 kg, 30.2 kg. I hope they don't charge me for the 0.2 nyana because your girl has a lot of stuff because I'm gonna be gone for a few months. Okay, cover this, check my bags. Guess what? Megan Bean has Cobb salad and your girl is ordering Cobb salad. You know how crazy I am about Cobb salad. Like literally every time I go to Primi, that's what I order. And in case you're wondering, my makeup was done by my girl Botle Mark. I don't even know how to pronounce the name because I know who that this other name. So You should check her out. I'll leave her information in the description box. And yeah, how do I look? I love this. I love my hair as well. This is from Shara Hair. I'm going to do the hair review when I get to South Africa. If I settle down by tomorrow, or if I get there on time, I'm going to do the review while I have the hair on my head. That would be like so perfect. I'm gonna get there, I think around 3, yeah, okay.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your love. I can't breathe without your
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. To comply with international safety regulations, kindly ensure that your hand luggage, jackets, and coats are
I'm ready.
baby. Wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
So hey guys, touchdown in the mother city. I'm in Johannesburg, y'all. I'm in Johannesburg, and these are my things. It's literally a lot of things. So I am going to wait for my pickup. So literally, oh my gosh, this is just so much. So I'm here. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, these bags keep on going to the wrong direction. And yes, let's go. So hey guys, I'm here in the city of Joburg. So I'm going to the Airbnb. It's crazy. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. So yeah, we're going to Randburg. We're in Johannesburg right now, so we're going to Randburg. The guy is picking me up. Went to look for his cousin because they've been looking for me for like an hour now, and I wasn't getting here. So yeah, I'm waiting for them to come and then we're going. So I'll see you when I'm at the Airbnb. Hopefully I'll show you around.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky, hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all
welcome into my apartment. When you enter, the first thing you're going to see is my beautiful bed. That beautiful bed and that huge bag of mine, and then which has like a lamp, and then there's cupboards which are really really nice for cause shell.
You'll always be my night sky.
So I think I might just end my vlog here because I'm so tired. I need to take a shower because I'm so exhausted. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.